My name's Dr. Jen Gottlieb, and I'm very pleased to introduce the Managing Stress and Enhancing Well-Being and Wellness as a Graduate Student. This is a 4-session course, cognitive behavioral skills based for graduate STEM students specifically. What is this cognitive behavioral skills course about, and how can it benefit your students? First, let me say a little bit about CBT, which is what cognitive behavioral therapy is well known as. It's the most researched psychotherapeutic intervention with the greatest empirical support over the years for a range of problems and symptoms. There's been a tremendous amount of research done on this particular intervention. Traditional CBT is a brief, structured therapy intervention, one-on-one or in a group. It was originally developed for depression and anxiety, and over the years has a ton of evidence base for effective use with a variety of mental health problems, challenges, and symptoms. It's highly collaborative, traditionally between the therapist and the person who is experiencing CBT or participating in it. It's self-management skills based, so that if you're in CBT, you learn all these skills, then you take them with you going forward in your life. It's adaptable for a variety of situations, such as this upcoming STEM graduate student course. So how does this course work in particular? So although I based it on cognitive behavioral therapy, this is not a psychotherapy experience for your students. Actually, it is a skills-based course, which contains a combination of cognitive or thinking skills and behavioral skills that I've specifically adapted and tailored to meet the needs of STEM graduate students. It's 4 consecutive weeks, an hour and a half each session. The material is cumulative, so students should attend each session of the course. It's very didactic based, but with lots of materials for students to take with them and continue to use. There is some brief skills practice between sessions that helps students really espouse these skills and be able to use them going forward. It's also a very open and accepting atmosphere with a lot of respect for people's questions and for their privacy, especially since this is not a therapy experience. Let me just say a little bit about me and how I came to work with this material and develop this course. I'm a licensed clinical psychologist. I have a long history in clinical academic research at a variety of different academic institutions and universities, including University of Montana, where I'm an alum and was visiting faculty. My recent focus, apart from doing a lot of research and work on developing effective CBT-based interventions for a variety of problems, is now on helping graduate students, such as STEM students, learn some really practical skills for how to manage their stress and enhance their well-being and their experience in their graduate programs. So how can this course specifically benefit your STEM graduate students and benefit you as well? When we surveyed over the past few years STEM students, there are a lot of concerns that came up. Some of these you may be familiar with based on your own experience originally as a graduate student and what you hear from your own students. So these were the most highly ranked and offered up stressors that graduate students in STEM programs are facing. As a result, this course I developed with a unique focus on these practical evidence-based skills as a personal and professional development experience for your students that can help in a variety of ways. Yes, address stress and anxiety, learn some very specific techniques to manage the current challenges that they are experiencing related to all of their academic responsibilities, improve their time management skills, help them reach their academic milestones, enhance self-efficacy overall as far as coping with all the stresses and all the different directions that they are pulled in as STEM graduate students. This can also build greater bandwidth for successful postdoc and job search preparation for your students. And a nice side effect is that it can really improve student-advisor communications and relationships, which is a great benefit. I've taught this course multiple times, and here are just some examples of feedback from students who completed this course. So I've had lots of positive feedback and has really helped students in the ways that are most important to them as far as succeeding in their program and feeling like they have a little bit more self-efficacy to handle these challenges. Thank you, and I look forward to working with your students.